Shit! He just hit a barrel.
Really?
Yep, he just steered right into a barrel.
Saving the world from dry eyes.
Mornings can feel like a lot, but there's one.
Call 1-800-GRANGER, click Granger.com, or just stop by. Granger, for the ones who get it done. This.
I gotta be doing like 90 easy.
I'm just kidding.
That's not even right.
How about Dr. Stafford? Patients say she's really quick at finding the right prescription.
Yeah.
Dr. Taylor, this review says he helped me.
Where are you going? Right up on my ass. Just came.
Had 22 home runs, 75 driven in last year, and led the team.
Hey, what are you doing all the way out there?
Oh my god. Oh my god. That white car came from like over there. That would be a stop sign. Okay. Good job. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Save video. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. because you have your license, you're gonna. Nice. Okay, Garmin, save video. That guy blew through a red light. Okay, Garmin, save video.
Offhand way. Aaron nearly. My father is a game show announcer tonight.
Okay,
It could be
Garmin,
because of the
save
anniversary
video.
of his arrest, but it's more likely a
Save video.
coincidence.